Hi, this is Scott Yeskel. I am the abstract and contemporary painting instructor here at Klein Academy. I also do the introduction to oil painting techniques at Klein, and I've decided to do a still life video for you guys to really give you the foundations that you're going to need to be an introductory oil painter. It's also great if you've experienced oil painting before. It's a really good refining exercise, and it helps you get back to basics. In this video, I'm going to describe how to set up the palette from light to dark and warm to cool, what materials you'll need, the oils, the mineral spirits, including the brushes, how to tone your canvas, and then we're going to execute a really simple, small first exercise. Once you've done that, we're going to start incorporating the background with 2 images, and then finally 2 images, the background, and a transparent object. Hope you guys love the videos, and thanks so much for checking them out.